Hello, my name is okay. I'm a student in the sick in my family. Five people, mommy, daddy, my brother, my sister, and I. Now be together. Thursday.
The 3rd of April.
The 3rd of April. 2025. Sing for kitchen.